Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. I'm really, really excited. All of this began about months ago. I had a breakfast with Francis, CTO of BlaBlaCar, and actually he told me that France have about 5-6 years late in engineering management and engineering leadership practices. And I told him that, okay, so let's bring the best of engineering leadership from the Silicon Valley and from the US to France, and let's make them meet with the best of engineering leadership here, and let's see what happens. So we'll see. So why are you here? So I don't think you're here because you want to hear what I have to say. I don't think you're here to meet like any mentor here. I don't think you're here for the food or the cocktail. I think that you're here for a reason that is bigger than that. I think you're here because you believe in the same mission than we believe in. I think you're here because you believe on the same mission to train the next generation of engineering leaders. We are on a mission to help you become and transition from a great engineer to a great engineering leader. We are on a mission to connect you with each other because everyone here made mistakes. Everyone learned a lot, and we can learn from each other, and so we don't have to repeat the same mistakes. So here is our mission. So we decided to build Plato to solve that mission. And I think there are two reasons to build a startup. First, either you are a really great engineering manager and a really great engineering leader, and that's why you can build that startup. That's not my case. I've been like an awful manager, I know. But I experienced that pain, and all of this began about 2 years ago when we decided to build that company. We decided to build that startup, and we hired a bunch of developers, and we were awful managers. And I think, sorry guys, I think that some of you are here tonight, so sorry, but thanks to you, we decided to pivot to this new mission and to this new company, and to help us and you to become great and good engineering managers and great engineering leaders. Because being a good manager is really important to retain the best talent, because people don't leave their company, people leave their managers. People don't leave their company, people leave their managers. So it's so important to retain the best engineers, to have those great engineering managers and being a great engineering leader yourself. So what is Plato? So Plato is really simple. It's a community of hundreds of engineering managers, director of engineering, VPs of engineering, who are mentors and want to help. They dedicate 30 minutes of their time per week to help you on your engineering management challenges. So our mission is to connect you with the right mentor, the mentor who has experienced the exact same challenge that you are experiencing today. So every mentor that we onboard, we don't ask them, Brett, are you a good engineering manager? Or we don't ask you like what you are good at because you are too modest, and maybe like you don't want to tell me what you're good at. And we ask you, tell me some stories of your past as manager. And the good thing is that you tell me some stories about where you're good at, because it happens spontaneously, or where you screwed up, but you learned a lot. And that's what you can share to other engineering managers. And also, you share us some stories that you enjoy talking about, and that's exactly what we try to do. Every mentor, we onboard them individually and ask them to share with us some great stories of the past, and we are going to match you with the right mentor in real time. So basically, you have a challenge in engineering management, you talk to us in direct message in Slack, and what we try to do is to understand and to qualify what is your challenge about. So is it an underperformance issue? Is it a feedback issue? I want to get better at giving one-on-ones. I want to get better at hiring or doing the interview process. So it takes like usually 5 minutes of qualification in direct messages in Slack to qualify your challenge. And we are going to match you with the right mentor who experienced the exact same thing as you do. That is the vision. And you know what? There are hundreds and hundreds of engineering managers, director of engineering, VP of engineering, of great company as Google, Facebook, Lyft, Uber, you name it, who want to help because that's their passion. And people want to talk about their passion. So here is just to, this is our real mentor. So some of them are here today. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being part of this community, because none of this would have been possible without you. We know that you are the real people who are making this possible, and we are only the connectors, but you are bringing all the value. So thank you very much. So as I told you, I'm a really bad manager, so I won't do the talks tonight. I'm going to leave the stage to them, and we are going to talk about 3 different topics. So the first topic is what is engineering management. So what's their point of view, what's the definition, what's the vision of engineering management? So the second topic is what's the main differences between engineering management in France and in the US. And the third topic is how, I think it's a challenge for all of us, how we can build an engineering structure to retain and to hire the best engineers. So we are going to have a mix of keynotes and panels from all the mentors here, and they're going to share their vision of what they taught on the definition of engineering management, the differences, and how to build a great engineering structure. So now let's the stage for the first topic, and to introduce the first topic, I want to welcome Sylvain. Sylvain is the VP of Engineering of Algolia. Please applause.